Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how to set different cross on product variants. So we're going to go into products. We're going to start a new product called test variant. And create a couple attributes. Once we save those, we can go to product variants and type that same name in. That should be enough. Cool. Now that you're in the variant, you can go to the purchase tab. This is where you'll assign a vendor. Just pick an arbitrary person here. And using this toggle, you'll switch on the product variant, and this will allow you to assign a cost to specific variants. And you can see it's still visible on all the variants, so that's why this toggle button is super important. We'll select gray here. Oh. Oh man. Sorry. There we go. I'll just put a random arbitrary price in there. But that's pretty much the gist of it. And if you go back to the parent, and look at the purchase records, you can see both of the records here. And within the individual product variants, again, you can see that they are assigned to each of these. So if we were going to make a purchase order, we can put the green one in and the gray one in, and you can see here that they have two distinct unit prices. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.